Hi! In front of me is Oppo Find X3 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can add screen lock on this smartphone. Start by opening settings, then you need to scroll down, choose password and biometrics, and then choose set lock screen password, wait 5 seconds and click on continue in the pop-up. Now you need to click on use a different password type and select one of those login methods. I will go with patterns, I have to tap on it. Then enter your login method and repeat it. After that, you need to choose cancel or add. If you wish to add your fingerprint, you can do that from here, but I don't want to, so I will go with cancel, click home button, and now when I turn off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!